Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to find the square root of a decimal number. We are supposed to find the square root of 0.0025. The first thing, we are going to change this decimal number into a fraction. So let us change this into a fraction. That is going to be 25 over, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal place. That is over 10,000. But this can be written as square root of 25 over square root of 10,000. This is equal to square root of 25. It is 5 over square root of 10,000. It is 100. Let us change this into decimal. We are going to divide. 5 will come inside and 100 outside. It goes by 0. We add decimal, we add 0. Still, it is impossible. I'm going to add 0. I'll add another 0. Now it goes by 5. 5 times 100, we got 500. So our answer is 0.05. That is our answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on square roots, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.